Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is Dr. Mohammad Mazharul, Associate Professor of Community Medicine, Bashundhara Ad-din Medical College. Today is my fourth lecture on research methodology, and today's topic will be how to prepare a proposal of a research. First of all, let us see why we need a proposal. A proposal is a complete plan in written format for any research, and it should be submitted to higher authority who are responsible for approval of the research or who are responsible for approval of the research regarding ethical issues known as ethical committee. Sometimes we have to collect approval from government authority who are concerned with approval regarding ethical issues, and sometimes we need to submit this proposal to higher authority of any institution who are responsible for approval. So, this is the this is the reason why we need a proposal. A proposal is a complete written plan of a research. So, let us see what are the parts a proposal should contain. First of all, it will contain the title of the research. A title should be clear, short, and it should describe the objective of the research, the main objective of the research, and it should contain the study population, on which population or group of people we are going to study, and it should contain the time or the place of research. So, this is about title, and a title should contain some specific action verbs. For example, to determine, to compare, to verify, to calculate, to describe, to establish. These are the action verbs we must use, but we should not use some vague non-action verbs like to appreciate, to understand, to know, to study. These are relatively vague, and we should not use those words in our title. So, after title, our next part is introduction part, and introduction chapter is again divided into two parts. First one is background, and second one is justification. Background chapter will contain the relevance of the research. We have to explain the background data or background situation regarding global background or our local context. Everything will be discussed, and the problem under study must be elaborated, and we should have to clearly describe the importance of the study. And the second part is justification. This part will contain, we have to explain why we need this study and what utility is there regarding the study. So, this is justification. Next part is research objectives. There are also two parts. First one is general objective. We have to mention clearly the objective of the research, and next part is specific objective. And specific objective, we have to mention at least 2 or 3 parts which will describe the particular objectives under the study. So, next part is research hypothesis. We have to mention the association between dependent variable and independent variable. This association will be mentioned as a statement, and it will be our research hypothesis. Then we have to explain our methodology the type of research, the population, the sampling technique, the sampling size, and how to analyze, and ethical issues and budget, all everything will be contained in methodology chapter. The next one is work plan. We have to mention a schedule of work plan, in which week or which month we are going to do which part of the work. So, this is work plan. And next one is plan for utilization and dissemination of data. We have to have a plan, we have to have a specific plan how we will disseminate the research result and how the result can be utilized. We have to mention this one very clearly. And next part is reference. We have to mention the sources of data or information we have collected from. So, this is reference. And last one is annex. Annexer or annex chapter will contain some questionnaire. Maybe we have to place the English questionnaire and Bengali questionnaire and time frame, time plan, all everything can be placed in this annexer, or we may use some tools or instruments, research instruments. We have to mention the instrument here. So, these 9 chapters are mandatory for any type of research proposal. So, this is all about research proposal in short. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.